Hey there, Ed here from 10,000 Foot View, and I have another Google Ads quick tip for you. So one of the things we found, which is a big issue with online stores, when we do prospect audits, we find 9 times out of 10 that that advertiser actually has sales on in their store and is not running promotions through Merchant Center, which means they're leaving tons of money on the table. So basically, when you include a promotion in Google Ads, it basically displays in your shopping ad that there's a special offer. And when somebody clicks on that, it'll show there's a discount, for example, and it can be a discount code optionally. It makes a huge difference, increasing click-through rates and increasing conversion. So anybody that's not doing this, you absolutely should be doing it. There's no reason not to. So I'm going to show you how to create a promotion in Merchant Center. I've skipped over one step here, which is if you haven't activated the promotions function, you have to do that from within the growth section. If you go to manage programs, you'll see it there. You have to register for it. But I have yet to see anybody not get approved for running promotions. So that aside, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to create a promotion. So you just go to the promotions tab. We click here to add a new one. This particular client of ours is based in Australia, so that's why I'm selecting Australia. And it'll default to the local currency. You do have the option in terms of destination to run this in shopping ads and or local inventory ads. In this case, we're just going to run shopping ads. And then you have several categories of promotion to choose from. So you have amount off, percent off, free gift, excuse me, and free shipping. And these are pretty self-explanatory. We're going to go ahead and we're going to choose percent off. And then you're given a submenu to select from. So in this case, we can offer a straight percent discount. We can offer a percent discount when somebody buys a certain number of products. So buy 3 and get 20% off, for example. And you can also do buy a certain number of products and then get the same item with a percent off that additional item. We're going to keep it simple today, and we're just going to choose percent off. And then here we put in the percentage. And we can have a minimum purchase value in order to qualify for the deal. So we'll make it $100. And we'll continue. Okay. Now, the title is very important, and people make this mistake. They often just put in like a random title here that's not meaningful. And if it's not, Google will actually disqualify your promo. You'll need to redo it. So we said in the last step that it was 25 off if you buy $100. So buy $100, get 25% off. So that's very meaningful, right? And this is absolutely necessary to get the promotion approved. Then you have a promotion ID. You can put anything you want in here. This will not be displayed by anybody. So you want this to be unique so you can keep track of the different promos. Okay, so with that done, you now need to add which product should be included in the offer, and you can use a variety of different ways to select and filter. You can also identify the products that should be promoted in your promotion feed using a promotion ID field, or you can apply to all. So I'm just going to keep it simple today and apply the promotion to all products. And then you have the option to include a redemption code. And if your store is going to give everybody the discount automatically, then you don't need this. But if you're making this promotion specific to people that come through Google Ads, for example, you probably want to use a code. And this can be anything you want, but you should use different ones for each promotion so that you don't confuse people or have people submitting the wrong code for the other promotion. So we're just going to use 25 off as an example, and then we set the start and end dates for the promotion. So one thing about this, you can't run a promotion for more than 6 months. That's the maximum. And you should always start it ahead of time. So set it for the next day at least. And then in terms of the end date, We'll just make this December 31st. And we'll apply that and we'll double check everything here. This all looks good. And we're ready to go. We hit create promotion and that's all there is to it. So Google will then review it. Typically takes about a day. It can be faster. If your promotion gets rejected, there's usually a reason for that explained in the rejection, and you can go through and fix that if necessary and get on with support to get that resolved. But generally, it's really straightforward to do this. And again, if you're not doing it and you have an online store running shopping ads and you have a sale, you absolutely are leaving money on the table. So, you know, get this going as soon as you can. That's it for today. I'll see you next time.